We are now having a series of videos that explain the code in the implementation of the library system. This is a first version of the implementation. The classes are listed here. Let me briefly go over them, although most of them might be pretty evident. User interface.java is the user interface. Library.java is the facade, the library class. Then we have the book and member classes. Catalog and member list are collection classes. Transaction is a class that stores one transaction by a member on a certain date for a certain purpose. Then hold represents a hold on a book by a member on a book. Then there are two other classes here. Let me, we covered a book, we covered catalog, we covered hold, library, member, member list, transaction, user interface. We didn't say anything about these two classes, automated tester.java and member ID server.java. This class, automated tester.java, is a tester class that creates a test bed and does some testing. This is simply to show you how you can create a test bed so that you can use this idea in your class project implementation. Remember, you are required to submit an automated tester. This is only a very small sample. You should be doing much more than this in your actual implementation. So this is to show you how you can do this business of automated testing. Then member ID server is a class that was not in the design stage. We ended up having this after doing the design and while trying to serialize the data, we decided that we can't do it properly without having an additional class. We will talk about it later. The file here called library data stores a serialized version of the library. You can open it up if you want at the beginning of a session with user interface. We will explore these classes, the source code in more detail in other videos. Remember that we cannot go through every line. I can only show you the big or important parts of each source file. And some are easier to understand after understanding similar classes.